Hey guys, I'm back, and my friend's here, Brandon, as you can see, and we're gonna play a lot of zombie maps. We got the what was it called again? We're playing Studio, Vertigo, Magma, Encore, Newtown 2025. I got Uprising. I got everything. I got what's it called again? Mob of the Dead is Beast. So let's just get to it. This is a gun that I got today. It's m1911-a1, and it's pretty cool. As you can see, I'm gonna unbox it right now so you all can see. I'm gonna put this right here. So yep, here it is. So what came in here is this. So I'm gonna take it out. My bad, sorry guys. This is a gun. It's a gas blowback. It has air in it, and it has BBs in it too. As you can see right there. So yep, that's it. This is something stuck in here. Run! So yeah, it shoots, as you can see.
Aren't you gonna show them the game?
So that means it has nothing in it. So yeah, and this is green gas that you can see right here is green gas. And this is it right now. You put it in here. So I'm gonna line it right here, and then you're supposed to do it soft kind of. It's gonna smell like someone farted. So yeah. That means it's good, done. It's gonna be cold, so yeah. So now let's see it and the shooting. So thanks guys. Please subscribe and comment. And I will recommend this gun. I shot it. Awesome gun. And in green gas, it's gonna smell like someone farted in your house. When you shoot, the air comes out of here. It smells a lot, but it's worth it. So thanks guys. Peace later.